Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody? Still here at Las Vegas, and this is a Target. This G from the GK. So I guess there's a whole bunch mixed. These are from the GKs. Street Creeper, Funny Car. Yeah, pretty much by now they seem to be repeats. Oh, that's not cool, man. My phone is about to die. Shoot. Well, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it here, and I'll show you the haul once I find whatever it is that I find. Yeah. Well, like I said, my phone died because of all the GPS and whatever. Take a look. This was the location I was in, 10:35, and I had to come back home or the hotel because. Anyways, man, take a look. This is what I found at that Target. Pizza Planet Toy Story. Yeah, there were two complete sets. I got another Subaru Impreza WRS X. Yeah, my little one is excited. See, there's a second one, and I also found the Deadpool ice cream truck, and a second Pizza Planet. But right now I'm gonna head on the road, and I'll show you guys a better detail of the castings themselves. And also I went to another store, went to a 99-cent store and found some goodies over there as well. But yeah, I'll go through the whole. I just gotta get on the road right now. See you guys. Yeah, so take a look, guys. I just got home, like home Arizona. And so this is at this was at a 99-cent store in Las Vegas. And take a look, man. Found a Barbie Corvette. Yeah, very nice Barbie right here. Take a look, man. She don't look happy. Oh, she's just staring at my watch. I don't know. But yeah, take a look. I got a what is this? A McLaren Senna. I got two, I believe, but those are gonna get shipped. I know of a friend who likes exotics, so I had to pick one of these ones. But yeah, take a look, man. This is a C10 right here, Chevy truck. Yeah, this one is also going to get shipped, man. I'm pretty sure to somewhere in the U.S. And what is this, man? This is oh yeah, this is the 4 castings from that. Well, these 4 right here. Take a look. This is the Aston Martin 007. Very nice. Very nice casting, man. The light doesn't really help, but yeah, this thing is nice. Those wheels are nice. They're alright. And let's see, what else did I find, man. I got a hold of a Bone Shaker, man. Bone Shaker Rocket League. Let me see. Yeah, and those wheels are nice too. Very, very nice wheels. Very cool casting. Some flames, blue. It kind of looks like the Ultimate Chase, but kinda not really. And let's take a look. What else did I get? I got the WRX Subaru Impreza, man. I really like the hood on this thing. Take a look, man. Those flames. They're just like sick. Take a look, man. They're really nice. 99. This is the 3000 gumball. Yeah, very nice casting. Really, really, really nice. And that wing, man, doesn't want to focus. I should shoot with the light. Let me see. I don't know. But yeah, man, take a look, man. Take a look at the rims. Very nice. Very, very cool. There's like a teeth over there on the bumper. I don't know if you guys can see those. Some sort of a teeth. Damn, take a look at those temples, man. This thing is amazing. Amazing. I wish I had more lightning. But I'm tired right now. Just wanna make sure you guys get to see the haul. And take a look. This is the second one. Very nice casting. Like I said, one is for my friend David. My bro David, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna love it. JDM as well. But that's not it, man. I did go to the Target like I said I was going to, but I did not record it. Well, I did record, but my phone was dying because all that GPS. And I mean, take a look. Well, this was the Walmart. I got the bone shakers. But I did take a look, man. I was recording and sheesh, man. I was like I was in the middle of the pig hunting and my phone just happened to die because the memory was just low, you know. And I received a phone call, decline, and boom, my phone just died. But take a look, man. This is the Toy Story, the Pizza Planet truck. Yeah, very nice, man. Very, very nice. Yo, there were 2 complete sets. Let me put those on the side. And I mean, I'm not lying, man. Take a look. This is the Target that I went to. It was a 1035. And take a look, man. I was so hurt that the phone died that I had to get some band-aids because, like I said, I was hurt. But I take a look. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 castings. So, of course, this was one. I had to get a gumball again because this one is going. I'm not even gonna say where, but it is going. It's flying, getting shipped. So there it is. And this one, a 4th one. This one's gonna be for my bro, man. My bro Jose. I know he's gonna love it. So I gotta get. I still need another complete set. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. That's just my preferences. Take a look. This is another Pizza Planet truck from the Toy Story. Very nice casting, actually. I mean, it's got the headlights. It's got very detailed. This thing has temples all over the place. Take a look. And it even has those stickers on the back. Take a look. The smiley face. Can't get that on camera. The back window stickers. Well, there they are, you know what I'm saying? The license plate. Everything is there. Very nice. And there should be one more. So this is the 5th car. Yeah, Deadpool. which it's kind of crazy, because you know Deadpool, he does his ways. So that's why I'm thinking his truck is facing the left. You know, he does what he does, you know. He don't care. Everybody else is facing to the right, except this one is facing to the left. But it is what it is, man. Take a look. I got 4 of the WRX, 1 bone shaker. So I guess I got 1 complete set for myself, and an additional Pizza Planet. And these 2 are gonna get shipped. It's for my bro. And these 2 are gonna get shipped. This one's gonna get shipped. And probably both of these. Who knows? But yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I got. This is my haul from Vegas. So I went to this location, and like I said, yeah, man, that's it. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and happy huntings, man. And like I mean, you've seen it, man. I went to different Walmarts, and I did get quite a few castings, and I got these sets at the Target. So yeah, man, like, just go out there and go hunt, man. You know, because when I found these ones, I went the night before. That was I went to 2 Walmarts, and I found actually, I think it's somewhere up in the front. I found the Bone Shaker, the Chase, for the Mystery Models Series 1. And then I went the next day, or today, I went early morning, and they were, the Larry Woods were pegged. There was 4 more boxes unopened up on the top, but I'm pretty sure you guys have seen that on the video. But yeah, man, that's it. All I'm saying is go out there and hunt. You know, hunting is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. And there it is. This is what I brought with me from Las Vegas. See you guys, and stay hunting. Yeah.